webinars actually work. Evergreen webinars are the secret weapon behind almost every 7- and 8-figure online courses. Every time you see a person claiming that they have done $1 million in sales with online courses, they have built exactly the same funnel I'm going to explain today. But most creators don't really understand how that works. They seem complicated, technical, and expensive. So in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step and explain it as simple as possible how an evergreen webinar actually sells your course on autopilot. For those who are new here, I'm Anna. Since 2018, my entire focus has been in building automated sales system for online courses. I have tested everything: the content funnels, DM me funnels, stressful live launches, and the only model that consistently and predictably scales is the evergreen webinars. Here is exactly how it works. Let me know in the comments, have you ever built your own evergreen webinar? If you've ever built it for yourself or maybe for someone else, drop yes or no. The easiest way to understand an evergreen webinar is to think of a movie. You filmed the movie one time, but the cinema plays it every single day to a brand new audience. That's exactly what an evergreen webinar is. You record your best, highest energy sales presentation just one time, and then a simple software system keeps replaying it for new people 24/7 as if it's live. New people can register for a showing today, they get automatic reminders, they watch your perfect presentation, and then they buy your course, even while you are asleep. This is the benefit of such system. You do the work once, and that helps you to create a perfect asset. You will need to optimize it, improve it a little bit, maybe re-record it, but this is a big step to automated sales. So what does this actually look like for your future customer? Let's follow them on their journey. Step 1, they see an ad or social media post. The post or ad offers a free training that solves a specific problem, like how to get your first 3 coaching clients. Very narrow, sharp problem of the audience. On a step 2, they land on a simple registration page. All it has is a powerful headline, a few bullet points about what they're gonna learn, and a button that says, "Reserve my seat." I have explained in one of the videos how to build the same landing page with your own hands. You do not need to invest thousands of dollars in your communication with the marketing agencies. You can do that yourself. I explained it on an example of using the Go High Level platform. You can copy it and recreate it for your project. On a step 3, they choose a time to watch. This is where the magic happens. The software will show them the options like the next showing starts in 15 minutes or a few other slots available today or tomorrow. This creates a sense of urgency and commitment, just like a live event. On a step 4, they get automated reminders, just like those. The system will automatically send them an email, even an SMS, even a text message before their chosen time begins, and make sure they show up. On a step 5, they watch your perfect presentation of the product you sell. The optimal duration of the webinar, which I recommend, is about 2 hours, and with the sales starting not later than 40 minutes after the beginning. So they can not only watch the video, they also can click the button to opt in. Also, they can communicate in the chat and leave the comments. It looks very much like it is live. And believe me, 95% of attendees think it's a real live broadcast. On a step 6, if they do not buy, the system will follow up. This is critical. The automation will send them series of emails, we call it the email flows, over the next 48-72 hours. I personally send out the letters for 5 days, offering the discounts, the promos, and trying to find out why the people did not sign up on a webinar. Also, we can convert them to the next step of the funnel. For example, invite to the 3 days challenge where they will dive deeper in the problem solution which they are looking for right now, or we will invite them to the Zoom call. Let me know in the comments, have you ever attended these type of webinars? Yes or no? We'll be waiting for your comments. Every single part of these steps runs on 100% autopilot. So you set it up once, you invest your time, and then it makes the work for you. To build this machine, you only need 7 key parts. A traffic source, this is how people find you. Usually we use ads for that. A registration page, the simple page where they sign up. a thank you page where you confirm their spot is being reserved, a webinar room, the page where you pre-recorded the video and it plays on autopilot, a call to action page, a sales page where your product is described, the followed up system, this is the flow of emails which they're gonna get, automated follow-ups, the emails and texts that do the selling for you, and a deadline system, a simple timer that makes your offer expire, creating real urgency. 7 simple steps which allows you to build this autopilot system. Okay, so how do you actually build this one? Here's the simple 7-step plan. Step 1, you record your presentation. Just open Zoom or Loop and record a 40-60-minute, for the beginning, that's gonna be great, high-value presentation that leads to your offer. I have the product which already helped so many people to create a perfect webinar presentation. It cannot be just the presentation which you create with on one breath. No, you need to follow a specific structure. To make it easier for you, I've packed all the slides you might need, which you can customize and edit it and just make it fit the product and your offer. I'm gonna share the link in the description box. All what you need to do, just tap on it and get the slides and use it for your presentation. That's it. Step 2, once you recorded the webinar, you need to upload it to a webinar platform. There are great options like AvaWebinar or Demio. You can even build it on a budget using Vimeo and Go High Level platform. Number 3, build the 4 simple pages: your registration page, thank you page, webinar room, and sales page. You can use a simple templates tools like Go High Level or ClickFunnels. I'm personally in love with the Go High Level platform. Already mentioned the video which I've recorded and explained how everything works on that platform. Step 4, you need to write your follow-up emails. A few reminders before and a few follow-ups after. That's it. Just invest 30 minutes of your time and you will have a beautiful email follow-up system. Number 5, connect your payment system like a Stripe or PayPal, whatever you have. 6, you need to launch your traffic. Start with a small, simple ad campaign on Meta or YouTube. And step 7, track your simple numbers. The benchmarks we are targeting: 25% registration rate to 3% sales conversion rate to start. Meaning, if 100 people visited your landing page where you offered the registration for the webinar, 25 of them should convert to the attendees. And then from that portion of people, we expect 30% to show up on the webinar. And from the total amount of registrants, we expect at least 2% of purchases. If you hit these benchmarks, then it's a great indicator that the system is set up correctly. Look, content alone is a gamble on the algorithm. You are building your business on a rented land which you do not own. DM me funnels are a race against the clock, and live launches are a guaranteed recipe for burnout. Evergreen webinars are the only model that combines high-value education, deep trust building, and a scalable sales process, and puts it all on autopilot. I have already offered you to grab the slides for the perfect webinar. You still have a couple months before the year will end. If you do not want to lose this precious time, why don't you start immediately to implement these 7 easy steps? Don't postpone it for tomorrow. Once you start implementing the system, you will be surprised how easy it is. And the other benefit, you all the time can reach me out on Instagram or here in the comments, and I will be able to answer your questions and help you out on this journey. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button in order to help others to learn more about evergreen options to scale the sales. That's it for today, and see you next time.